I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Welcome back to another unboxing, my friends. Today we're showing you guys WOLFANG's action camera, the GA420. We're going to put this camera into motion. We're going to show you guys what you get. This is 4K 60 frames, Ultra HD, 40M waterproof with waterproof case, dual screen display, and more features. Make sure you check out the listing and the manual for more information, but we're going to go ahead and show you guys what you get and also test out the footage, play around with it. So guys, right away we see this is the waterproof case that it comes with. The camera is inside here. Nice standard mount. Pretty nice, easy access. You got your buttons on the top there for controlling, on the side as well. So guys, you can actually mount your camera on a tripod directly, which is pretty sweet. That's something GoPro does not have. They have those little things where you got to put it through like this to mount. But that's actually really smart. Good job, company, for putting that in. I think that is going to be very popular. For opening the battery bay, you push down this button and you press at the same time to slide it over. And that unlocks the battery bay right inside here. And I believe it almost looks like that's the SD card slot right in there as well. So I believe that's where you put your SD card. This is it. We'll show you guys some footage coming up. You got your charging in here as well. So everything is, you push a button down and then you slide out. That's actually pretty nice. I like that. That's something GoPros don't really do. GoPro has a massive problem, and GoPro, in my personal opinion, when you slide out stuff, it's so hard. You gotta like dig your fingernails down in and try and get it to pop up. But this is actually nice where you just push a button and slide it. That's very smart. So I actually like that way above the GoPro. So dual screen. Let's go ahead and show you guys some accessories you get. But I know most people just care about the footage of this. So guys, we can't go over every single accessory. We can say they give you 2 batteries. You get a remote control for operating the camera and video. All different accessories. You got your charging cable and microphone. You just get all these different accessories. Oh, that's nice. So that's important. You get a lens cap. That is very, very important. At least in my opinion, that's a must. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So guys, touch display. Let's open this up here. And make sure you peel off all of these little protectors from the screens. So far, I'm actually digging this. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it. So everything seems to work really well. You know, tapping, you don't seem to have any issues. 2.7K 30 frames. There's the 4K at 60. You got voice record in here. There's just so many settings. We aren't going to waste our time going through all of them, but we're going to go ahead and start recording and show you guys what the footage looks like. If anyone personally actually really knows me, they know I hate crossing traffic. More so, ooh, this is cool. This is really cool. All right, nice. Wow, that is awesome. Now that would be fun, magnetic fishing. Probably not allowed though. Probably not allowed at all. But that would be cool though. I mean, it's cooler out this way. All right, well, let's continue, my friends.